All right. I'm gonna quickly go over how to remix the template project and copy the table data from Google Sheets into it. All right, let's go. So the first thing we want to do is up by the top, I've opened the template project here, just click remix. And it's going to create a new project under my account. So let's call this Chris's most petable animals. Okay, it's saved there. So now that's the name of the project. Going to click over to the data tab here, and we're going to create a new data table. And that's where we're going to copy. This is the Google Sheet that we're going to be copying from. So let's call it most petable animals. Okay. It's a new thing. We've got ID. We've got a few columns here. Animal name, picture, rating out of 10, weight, has fur. So I'm just going to copy paste this text. Oops. Oops, that wasn't the right place. There's animal name. Column 2 is going to be called picture. Okay. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do to get the data in this table actually is to export it as a CSV file from this page, which we do by saying file,
Hey, Chris,
download. What's up?
hold on. I see some data entry errors if you look at the has for row.
Oh, you're right. Okay. So yeah, we actually definitely want to check that first. So there's a couple data types here. We've got a couple columns that have strings, including animal name, picture, and has fur. And then we've got a couple columns that have numbers, which is rating out of 10 and weight. These are all numbers. But thanks for pointing that out, Wooding. These are missing some quotes here, and that's going to cause problems when we import the data. So I'm going to go ahead and put quotes around these and maybe just double check. These are numbers, so should they have quotes? Should these one have quotes?
Nope, you're right. No quotes.
Okay, no quotes. I'm going to double check the links. They should also have quotes. Some of them are rather long. Yep, that one's very long, but it has a quote. I also think it doesn't work. Okay, so we're going to create something called a CSV file, which means comma separated value, which is just going to turn this table into a text file that we can import into code.org. So we're going to click File, Download, comma separated values, CSV current sheet. It's just going into my downloads folder. Going to come back to the app, and we're going to say import CSV. And I'm going to pick the file here. And it's going to say this is going to overwrite. Say yes. And you can see at the top, the first row is the name of each column, and that's been imported into the name of each column there. And yeah, you can see all the rows have showed up with and without quotes, depending on data type here. And let's see, can we save this somehow, or does it save automatically?
It saves.
It saves. Okay, cool. So back to data. So now we have a table called most petable animals. And that's how we pull that in. Should we cut and start another clip?